Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the Ga4 property and data stream are actively receiving hits. This prevents chasing phantom data. Next, make sure enhanced measurement is enabled and any Google Ads links are connected so UTM-less clicks aren't misattributed. Once done, open Debug View to watch events in real time. This shows whether hits carry source, medium, and campaign parameters. Make sure filters or incorrect referral exclusions aren't stripping UTM values before they land in Ga4. You now focus on the attribution pipeline. Inspect incoming event payloads for source, medium, and campaign values so you know where data is lost. If UTMs are missing, validate tagging across landing pages, redirects, and server-side headers. Make sure gclid pass-through is preserved when using auto-tagging. Once done, confirm Ga4 attribution model and conversion lookback windows. Different models or short windows can convert legit sources into unassigned. Make adjustments and retest in Debug View. You finish by enforcing a consistent UTM tagging policy and fixing any redirect chains or server-side rewrites that strip parameters. This immediately reduces unassigned traffic. Then export recent raw events to BigQuery to verify historical impact and flag changes. If retroactive fixes aren't possible, document the correction so stakeholders understand the gap. If things still go wrong, check consent mode and browser cookie blocking. Those often block attribution signals. If needed, retest after each.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.